All right, welcome to another video. So today's trading day. Okay, so the important thing to me is that we are at all-time highs. Okay, so we reached this high and then we retrace a little bit. So at this point, for me, I already have a down movement in the 4 hour. So for me, the important thing is to look for longs right now because we are creating a new long all-time high, and I want to find a reason all the time to go long. Okay, so what normally happens is that we reach a level. It doesn't matter the time frame. We reach a level and then we start creating internal liquidity, like a low, then a high, and so on. And then we can confirm if we want to go lower or not. But for me, since this is the first retracement, I'm looking uh, any zone in price or any sign in the price to go long. So that for me, to me, that's the bias for the day. I want to go long. So now if I go to the 1 hour chart, but let me first mark this all-time high. I can see, and I'm gonna change platforms. Okay, so as you can see, we have this movement from here to here, and then we have a retracement that is below the 75%. So it is almost, yeah, it is 90%. So that's a good zone to me to go long. Right now, I cannot take a trade because in 20 minutes we have FOMC and volatility might be crazy. So I will need to wait, right? So my bias is long. I'm looking for longs. And let's see the 1 minute chart, which is this one. We are in a range. So that's maybe a sign that we want to go, that after all this pullback in the 1 hour that we already saw, we are in a range right now. Then we took this liquidity right here. Let me show it to you. And then we possibly want to try to go uh, to the upside. Again, I need to see a clear setup. I'm not taking any trade unless I see the setup. Yeah, but my bias is long. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm already inside the trade. What I was waiting for is for price to close above this fair value gap in the 15-minute chart. You can see it here. So as you can see, we have a lot of rejection of the price there. And then we took liquidity here. And then price came up and closed above the fair value gap. So I'm already inside the trade for a long, and I'm gonna show you. This is my Darwinex zero account. I think I entered the trade too early. The best scenario for me would have been to enter here in this pullback, but again, I'm confident that price will go up. This is the stop right here, not ideal for me because it's not below the lows or below this low right here, but uh, it's the amount of contracts that and the stop that I want to take, which is 15 handles. Okay, and the target is 15 handles above the enter. Again, I might move my target to this area maybe and take that as a winning trade. No problem for me, but I need to see how price develops and then see if I move the stop or not. But I'm gonna keep the target as it is right now, and let's see what happens next with the trade. Okay, good night. So the trade that I took in the afternoon, well, I got stopped out. So as you can see, I entered here here is the entry at this level, and I got stopped out here, around here, this price. Okay, so this happens, it's normal. So in my analysis, I want to show you that maybe I missed, and I didn't miss it, but I was thinking about it while I was doing the analysis today, is that maybe if we took the all-time high here, if we took this liquidity, maybe it's a good idea to first take an opposing liquidity and then think to go to the upside again. Still, my bias is long for tomorrow. To me, this thing will go up and also put a new high again. But maybe that was the missing thing. For example, this sells a liquidity. If I can wait for the price to take it and then try to join the movement to the upside, that would be a better idea. If I go to the 1 hour chart, which is the one that I was analyzing, and the same thing, as you can see, we took the high here, the all-time high, and then at the moment I took the setup, the maybe like a relevant sell side liquidity could have been taken for the price before I try to join the price. So that's the thing that I think I can improve. Also, if I go to the 1 minute here, I was also thinking that price action at that moment when I decided to take the trade, as you can see, was very uh, like not defined, like very crazy. A lot of going down, then up, and yeah, as you can see, it was like a little bit messy, right? So things happen. This time it was a stop. Still, as I mentioned, my bias is long. I'm expecting this price action to go up, maybe to take this buy side liquidity here and also uh, going to the new high again. So that's what I think for tomorrow. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and that's part of the game. So see you next time.